Fortunately, we had a lot of rain the last month or two, so a lot of the grain producer areas are very wet at this stage, which leave enough soil moisture, and we will probably have a good start with the current soil moisture situation. The concern is the Super El Nino. Some guys expect it for next year, and that will impact us, our crop next year, late in the season, early 2027. Fuel prices are a direct cost of the farmer, and that impact us directly in a huge way. So we have to prepare fields, cultivate them, prepare them for the planting season, the planting self, and then the whole process, as the plants grow through the season. So we constantly would need fuel, and the supply then is also a big concern for us as Grain South Africa.
We get it. Absa Business Banking.